Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our next video from our course on how to create webinars. Now, in this short lecture, I want to talk to you about something that is very important in my opinion, and that is why should you use webinars for your business. First of all, you need to have the why, as you probably already know, okay? So let's dive into the actual information. I will reveal to you in this lecture four main reasons. These are four main reasons in my opinion of why you should use webinars into your business. First of all, webinars help you build a stronger and more natural relationship with your audience. Now, why am I telling you this? Just think about it. We already use different types of online marketing channels, online marketing tools, okay? We send out emails, we create videos, we record podcasts, okay? We share posts and we post on Facebook and on different social media platforms. But very, very rarely our audience actually has the occasion to interact in a live, in a live and real time with us, okay? Webinars give them the chance to get to know the real us, okay, and build a stronger relationship with us, because they practically give them the occasion, the rare opportunity to interact with us in a real time, okay. Now, the second reason would be that webinars help you build credibility and authority. And why am I telling you this? Okay, there are a lot of people out there that are in your target audience that don't know who you are, okay? They don't know your expertise, they don't know your achievements in your field of expertise, and so on, okay? And practically into a live webinar, you can deliver value to your target audience, okay? You can deliver important knowledge that would help them in the field or niche that you activate in, and thus it will build credibility and authority in front of them. They will get to know what are your achievements, okay? They will see actually